So, I am Putri Handayani. We answer the question with the explanation in the context 2 about Snow White. Question number 1. What type of the text is used by the reader? A. Narrative, B. refers to anecdote, D. comparative, A. News item. Answer A. Narrative. So, the explanation is because the text contains elements of a story that happiness in the past about a short story Snow White, who are run away from the kingdom, went to the forest, and the food happiness with the seven was answer is a narrative. Was answer is a narrative. So, the explanation is because the text contains elements of a story that happens in the past about a short story Snow White, who ran away from the kingdom, went to the forest, and found happiness with the seven was answer is a narrative. So answer is a narrative. Question number 2. To tell the plot, the readers use it. A rhetorical question and an explanation. B. Tense questions. C. Contrastive evidences. C. Contrastive evidences. D. Past tense. E. Concessive conjunction. Answer D. Past tense. So, what the author uses is a story in the past that has happiness 2000 of the year ago. It can be said that the answer is the past tense. So, answer is the past tense. Question number 3. Will Snow White run away to the woods? A. Her parents passed away. B. Her uncle was angry with her. C. Her uncle and auntie would go to America. D. Snow White was happy to run away. A. Snow White liked playing in the woods. Answer C. Her uncle and auntie would go to America. So, they see the explanation is in paragraph 1 that his uncle and auntie will leave him with the exercise of the waiting to go to America. So, answer is her uncle and the auntie will go to America. So, answer is C. Her uncle and auntie will go to America. Question number 4. When did Snow White run away to the woods? A. In the afternoon. B. In the morning. C. In the evening. D. In the full moon. A. In the middle of the next. Answer A. In the afternoon. So, the explanation in paragraph 2, the next morning she ran away into the wood. She was very tired and hungry, so answer is B in the morning. So, answer is B in the morning. Question number 5. Where did Snow White live after she ran away to the wood? A. She lived in the south. B. She lived in the land nest. C. She lived everywhere in the wood. D. She lived in the woods country. E. She lived on the street. Answer D. She lived in the woods country. So, the explanation in the that paragraph was the line explaining that then he saw. They lately heard of the warfish. He knocked, but no one answered. He went in and fell asleep. Very willy the servant warfish went to work. So answer is D. She lived in the work cottage. So answer is D. She lived in the work cottage.